Tulum International Airport is a new gateway in Mexico, welcoming over 1 million visitors annually since opening in 2023. This airport serves as an important hub connecting the beautiful Quintana Roo region with the rich heritage of the Mayan civilization, offering both convenient access for both tourists and travelers. Airports are fundamentally different from typical building structures. The ceilings are very high and the spaces are wide and open. And passenger traffic fluctuates significantly depending on flight schedules.
Traditionally, large-scale facilities like airports have relied on chiller-based systems and ductwork. But to meet the growing expectation of passengers for better indoor environments, we needed to choose a more advanced HVAC solution with finer and more precise control.
In the terminal, we installed 224 Samsung 360 cassette fan coil units. By receiving chilled water directly from the chiller, the units modulate cooling capacity in real time to meet changing load conditions. When crowds gather at boarding gates, baggage claim areas, or security screening zones, the units provide focused cooling to meet the increased demand. In office and lounge areas, the system provides 360-degree even cooling without direct airflow, maintaining a comfortable environment for longer stays.
Unlike conventional system controlled from a central point, each indoor unit here is connected to a wired touch controller. This allows on-site operators to monitor and adjust temperature based on real-time site conditions. And all operational data is continuously utilized to enable more advanced centralized control in the future. The system can be enhanced as it is used.
This project showcases Samsung's engineering expertise and explains why their HVAC solutions are trusted globally. Thank you, Samsung.